Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Azmanuddin. In this video, I will explain to you about presentation 2. In this video, there are 5 parts and I will explain to you 3 parts of it. Firstly, I will tell you about a method for fingerling harvesting stage. Fingerling harvesting. Fry is stage of the fish, which at this stage the fish is still develop their body, or we can say that this stage is stage after larva stage. Fry will be put into separate earthen pond from big fish to make sure the fry will not be eaten. Fry will be stay in the earthen pond for 6 weeks. After 6 weeks, they will be fingerling size that 2 to 3 inches in length. Fry will harvest by using culling method, which the net have a small mesh size. Culling method is not limited use only for fingerling, but even it can be used for harvest the big fish. This method will use seine net. Harvesting by using culling method have 2 ways. First, based on the left picture, the harvest, the seine net, is pulled toward to one end of the pond. While based on the right picture, the method will use two seine net and harvesting. We do half first and after that the other half. The seine net will be pulled start from the center of the pond. When do this method, we should make sure the net was at the bottom. This to make sure we are able to catch them completely from the pond. The net will be pulled slowly to make sure the fingerling from running over the net. Next, I will explain about behavior and progress of the fingerling. Behavior and progress of the fingerling. The growth rate of the catfish will increase if the fish been reared in darkness for 34 hours, based on the report from the Business Pinare 1992 and Almazan Ruder 2004. The growth rate of the catfish will be decreased if the time period of the light that is exposed to catfish increase. Then that the fingerling can be cannibalism if the feeding rate of the fish decrease, then the cannibal of the fish will be increased. This caused by when the feed rate is lesser, the only choice for fingerling to survive is by eating other fish. Fingerling stage is still at the stage which the fish is small and not strong enough to resist any disease. Although catfish are able to resist poor environment, but catfish at the fingerling stage is still unable because at this stage they still undergo growth process. So the water quality must be controlled in order to make sure the fingerling health in a good condition. There are unusual behavior of fingerling when the fingerling prone to parasite, like the fingerling swim abnormally and the fingerling do not eat the feed.
This is how I'm going to feed these 2 mm to this fish, and they are going to pick it very well.
Then I will explain about growth performance in terms of weight and total length. Growth performance can be seen by the weight of the catfish and total length body of the fish. This is because factors that affected the growth, like the quality and nutrient in the feed that being used to feed the fish, water temperature, quality of the water, and the system management, which how we handle the process. The way to weigh the fish and measure the overall length of the catfish is easy.
Then I'm going to drop it in there. Okay, you see that? That is 1 gram. Exactly 1 grams. Normal fingerlings. So this is taking it to the meter rule. We have exactly 5 cm. 5 cm. Can you see this? This is the smallest of a fingerlings.